These are the products right here. I'm definitely not a hair guru, okay?
No basics on.
Hey Stush Gang, welcome back to another Slay with Stushy. So today I'm bringing you guys some hair content. The last time that I did my natural hair on camera, a few of you guys were saying that I need to do more hair videos for you guys. So here we are. So today I'm going to be actually showing you guys how I achieved this twist out, fluffy twist out using some new Camille Rose products. I'm going to be using products from Camille Rose's Fresh Honey launch. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before we start today's video, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. On the road to 5K, would love for you to join us along the journey. And if you enjoy hair videos, if you end up enjoying today's video, make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions, comments, anything on your mind, feel free to drop it down below. Let's continue the conversation. So today I'm going to be using some new Camille Rose hair products that were sent over to me to do a sponsored post on Instagram. But I felt like, why not come on here and give you guys a video showing you guys how I achieved my twist out, because you guys seem to really enjoy the last time I did my natural hair on camera. So here we are. These are the products right here. Aren't they gorgeous? You can't see all of them, but I'm going to be using 5 products in total. Some of the notable ingredients in this Fresh Honey line, of course, honey, nettle, and rice water. Now, I've definitely used honey in my hair before, but I've actually been wanting to try rice water in my hair. So I was really ecstatic when I received these products and I saw that rice water was one of the first ingredients along with honey and nettle. So today I'll be using their deep conditioner from the line. I'll be using their leave-in conditioner. I'll also be using their curl whip, which is a cream styler, their 4-in-1 mousse, and their honeydew, which is a curl refresher. Okay, so let's get started. I did go ahead and wash my hair off camera with some other Camille Rose products, but the deep conditioner that I'm using today is from the honey line. It smells absolutely amazing. It claims to soften, boost shine, and help with manageability. I deep conditioned my hair for about an hour and then I rinsed it out. It definitely got the job done, but I would have liked a bit more slip. I then went in with the honey leave-in conditioner and I was honestly amazed. The leave-in was crafted to provide maximum hair hydration. Now the texture for this leave-in is not as thick as honey, but it's still thick and it's definitely not as sticky as honey. I went ahead and applied it to each and every section and finger detangled, and this provided me with the slip that I was looking for, okay? You'll see shortly that I didn't even need a comb to comb it out. Now I'm going in with the honeycomb curl whip to add moisture in and prep my hair for my 2-strand twist. The curl whip was crafted to boost shine, eliminate frizz, and hold your styles in place. And the consistency of this is pretty thick. It's just what it is labeled as, a cream. I worked it into my hair, and now that I think about it, this is definitely a product that left my hair feeling nourished even on the 3rd day, okay? I then decided to go in with the spiked honey 4-in-1 styling mousse, which is perfect for giving you that light hold on your twist outs, your braid outs, bantu knots, whatever your heart desires. And it claims to smooth strands, boost shine, and set styles. The texture is similar to other mousses. I just wish I used 1 pump instead of 3 in that section. But listen, your girl be getting carried away, okay? I will note that the mousse paired pretty well with the cream. Once I take my twist out, you'll see that I didn't have any flakes or any leftover residue on my hair. And again, I didn't even need a comb. My hair didn't feel heavy either with any of these products. At this point, I'm going to start to 2-strand twist my hair. And with my TWA, I don't even bother trying to make things look cute with the part when twisting. I just grab here and twist while ensuring that each twist is about the same size. Don't mind the side of my face either. You know how things get when you're washing or styling your hair. Products get everywhere. And my twists are extra juicy. So let me just shut up and let you guys watch me twist it up. So we are all twisted and sis is tired, so it's bedtime. Yes, new day, my face is beat, my twists have dried underneath the satin scarf that I got from Shein, and now it's time to unravel. I'm just going to spritz my hair with the Honeydew Curl Refresher. Now I normally like to use oil to unravel, but I figured I'd try this liquid moisture refresher, and y'all, this smells so good. The scent hit me shortly after, as you guys can see, so that just really made me decide to just spray more. I sprayed some on my hands as well and started to unravel my twist, and the Honeydew Refresher was crafted to moisturize, detangle, and refresh your curls. So my hair definitely felt moisturized, light, and fluffy on day one. Enjoy the process of me taking down my twist. And just like magic, she is all fluffed. I used 7 Mia pick to fluff my hair. Now stay tuned for my final thoughts. So this is the finished look, you guys. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, but just in case you guys were interested, I did use a Beauty Bakery blush on my eyes, on my eyelid, and I used the color Freshly Baked. I believe that's what the color is called, but I have it listed down below. I also used the Juvia's Place eyeshadow. I'll have everything listed down below for you guys. Use that in my lower lash line for that yellow. And for the lips today, I actually combined my Fenty Beauty Fruit Snacks and my Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Gloss Bomb and Gloss Bomb creams. So how are you guys feeling the hair? Honestly, this might be my fluffiest twist out yet. My hair feels really good. It feels really soft. I'm trying to remind myself to stop touching it because that's how things will get frizzy. You see, I have a problem. Once my hair is out, I like to touch. That's just how I am. Let me know if you guys are the same. But I do want to share my 3 favorite products from this Fresh Honey collection. The first one is the Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. I actually really like this, and honestly, the first ingredient is honey. The second one is olive fruit oil. My hair loves olive oil, so I can see why I like this product so much. And it wasn't super sticky either. I've definitely tried another honey leave-in and it was just way too sticky for my liking. It got on everything. There's a decent amount of slip with this leave-in conditioner as well, so I actually really like this one. My next favorite from the collection is the Honeycomb Curl Whip. I use this as my first product after applying my leave-in to achieve my twist out that you guys see here, and I really liked how this made my hair feel as well. It smells so edible, you guys. I really wanted to eat this, but you cannot eat this. This is not edible, but I really like how this made my hair feel upon applying it after applying the leave-in conditioner, and I feel like it also did a pretty decent job at moisturizing my hair. So this is my second fave, and my last favorite is actually the Spiked Honey Mousse. Now, I've always strayed away from mousses because I always felt like it made my hair just feel a little bit too hard, too crunchy. This had a pretty soft hold. As you guys can see, my hair is very much so fluffy even after taking out my twist. I can't wait to try this product again. I really want to do Bantu knots with this, but I definitely feel like my hair needs to grow just a little bit more. But yes, this is the final product that I really enjoyed. The honeydew definitely worked to refresh my hair. It smells really good, but I'm used to using a oil to unravel my twist. This might work really well on like day 3 or day 4 hair, or even if you want to retwist your hair on like another day. And the Fresh Honey Deep Conditioning Treatment was pretty cool as well. I have to give it another try to see how my hair really likes it. I might like the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Treatment just a little bit more because I feel like it's easier for me to detangle my hair, but this definitely worked as well. But if I had to choose 3, Honeycomb Curl Whip, the Honey Leave-In Conditioner, and the Spiked Honey Mousse, these 3 are my favorite from the collection. So yeah, that is pretty much all I have have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Let me know how you guys are feeling the hair down below. Let me know if you guys would like to see more hair content from me. Now I want to throw a disclaimer out there. I'm definitely not a hair guru, okay? I do not come and check for me for a ton of hair videos, okay? I might give you guys one or two every now and then, but I actually enjoyed doing my hair on camera with you guys. So definitely leave me some feedback down below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't head out before leaving your girl a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below as well. If you haven't already joined the Stush Gang, we would love for you to join us. We're on the road to 5K and we want you to be there to celebrate with us when that happens. And make sure your post notifications are turned on as well, so that way you don't miss out on the next hair video, whenever that may be, okay? And with that being said, thank you guys so much for rocking with me today. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. I love you guys and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys. Okay, y'all cannot talk to me this summer, okay, because my hair is going to be long this summer, okay? I mean, I can't talk to me now, but still with a TWA.